How to create a search bar in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your spreadsheet. You can use your Google spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel. The process is same for both of the applications. So you will need to enable your developer options for creating a separate find box or a search box, but there is a simple method from which you can just use the built-in search box. And to do so, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus Find in your keyboard, and then a search bar will appear, and all you have to do is search for data in your sheet and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.